My country people, this is the most painful part of this Junior Pope's burial. Junior Pope left a very big memory in the hearts of his loved ones. If you see the way his first son cried in this video, there is no how you will not cry along with him. Saying goodbye to their father was the hardest thing for them. Sometimes I just the one that say, why good people know they last? In this boy's heart, he will be like, so I will not see my daddy again. See the way he just they cry. People just they hold him. Say, calm down, everything will be fine. Your daddy is gone, but his spirit is with you all. See the way everybody just they console him. They console him. I'm pretty sure anywhere Junior Pope is now, he will be so feeling for them. I pray let his spirit continue to surround them and not depart from them.
The children, there's relations. What?
Baba God, God to the fatherless, God to the widows and widowers, please don't leave this woman in this hard moment. Baba God, give her the strength to bear this great loss. Please strengthen her to be strong for these children. If you never lose somebody that you loved, like your loved ones, you will not understand the pains at all. The agony of losing someone, it's something that is very hard. A stigma that is very hard to live. That's why I continue to make this prayer. Say, let God continue to console this woman so that she will be strong for her children. She needs to be strong for them. Because if she's down, the children will also be down. It will be very hard for them to come out of this. I pray that Junior Pope's spirit will continue to rest in peace. See the mother crying. Oh God, this is one death that pains a lot of people. Even people he was not related to felt it because he was a good man. He was a very loving man, very jovial. He communicated with everybody. He's very interactive. He mingles with everybody. Why won't you love him? Junior Pope, the ex-worker, may your soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Amen. Guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah now. Bye.